How to return your binx Health Sample Collection. Remember to read all instructions for returning your kit. It is important to activate, collect, and return your sample all on the same day. Make a plan for dropping off your kit. Remember to activate your kit at mybinxhealth.com/activate. It is important to remember the samples may be rejected if the kit has not been activated before it is returned. Complete all the sample identification labels with the same name as your account. Make sure all your samples are sealed in a unique biohazard return bag. Any tube should go in a biohazard return bag with an absorbent pad. Any blood collection should go in a biohazard return bag with a desiccant pack. Place all the sealed sample bags in the cardboard shipping box and close it shut. Place the cardboard shipping box inside the return envelope and seal tightly. To return your kit, check the provided return shipping label. If you are part of a clinic, employer, or university testing program, you may have a return drop-off location on site. If you have a UPS return label, it is important to return before the last pickup of the day at any UPS access point, store, or drop box, or schedule a pickup at www.apps.ups.com/pickup/schedule. If you have a USPS Postal Service return label, it is important to return to your local post office or in your post office mailbox before the last pickup of the day. Once the laboratory has received your sample, it will be processed. We will contact you if there are any issues. Your results will be reviewed by a licensed healthcare professional and then securely sent to your personal binx dashboard. You will receive an email or text notification when your results are ready. Log in to mybinxhealth.com/login to review them. If your test results require follow-up, a licensed healthcare professional will call you to provide your results and discuss any next steps. If you have any further questions, please contact binx at support@mybinxhealth.com or call 844-692-4691. Thank you for using binx.